This video is an ultimate guide to the 10 best things to do in Anaheim, California. 1. Anaheim Packing District. Get ready to eat your way through one of Anaheim's most vibrant and delicious destinations. The Anaheim Packing District is a collection of historic buildings, centered around the Anaheim Packing House, a stunning 1919 citrus packing warehouse that has been transformed into a 42,000 square foot gourmet food hall. Inside, you'll find dozens of unique food stalls and restaurants, many of which focus on fresh, local ingredients, offering everything from artisan tacos and ramen to craft ice cream and wood-fired pizza. The district also includes the Packard Building, Make, and Farmers Park, a 2-acre green space perfect for relaxing. This place is open late on weekends, making it a perfect spot for a casual dinner or a fun night out. 2. Downtown Disney District. Even if you don't have a ticket to the parks, you can still soak up the magic of Disney at the Downtown Disney District. This vibrant, walkable outdoor promenade is packed with unique shops, mouth-watering restaurants, and exciting entertainment. You can browse the eclectic selection at the all-new Disney Storyland Boutique, enjoy a meal at a popular restaurant, or simply grab a snack and watch the crowds go by. From May 16, 2025, the resort is launching a year-long 70th anniversary celebration, so you can expect special decorations and fun surprises. Best of all, it's free to enter, and it's just a short walk from Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. It's also a great place to find 2025 vacation souvenirs. 3. Catch an Anaheim Ducks game. Experience the thrill of professional hockey at the Honda Center, the home of the NHL's Anaheim Ducks. This 18,900-seat arena is one of Southern California's premier venues for live sports and entertainment. On game nights, the energy is electric as fans cheer on their beloved team. The arena's central location makes it easy to get to, and you'll find plenty of food and drink options inside. For those 21 and older, you can enjoy a cold beer while watching the fast-paced action on the ice. Even if you're not a huge hockey fan, the lively atmosphere and high-energy competition make for a great night out in Anaheim. Check the Ducks' schedule online before your trip to catch a home game. 4. Anaheim Brewery Crawl. Anaheim has become a true destination for craft beer lovers, with a growing number of unique breweries calling the city home. You can start your crawl in the Anaheim Packing District, where you'll find superhero-themed brews at Unsung Brewing Company and hoppy IPAs at the renowned Monkish Brewing. Another local favorite just a stone's throw from Disneyland is Noble Ale Works, known for its excellent West Coast IPAs and the can't-miss Naughty Sauce, a delicious golden milk stout. With so many award-winning breweries, you can easily plan an afternoon or evening of tasting some of the best craft beer in Orange County. It's a fantastic way to experience the city's local flavor beyond the theme parks. 5. Angel Stadium of Anaheim. Baseball fans will absolutely love catching a game at Angel Stadium, a true classic Major League ballpark that opened in 1966, making it the 4th oldest active stadium in the MLB. As the home of the Los Angeles Angels, the stadium offers a classic baseball atmosphere with great sightlines from every seat. Make sure to try the famous Angels dog for the full game day experience. The team store is the perfect place to grab an Angels jersey or hat as a souvenir. If you're visiting during the spring, you can also check the spring training schedule to see the Angels play close to home. It's a perfect way to spend a sunny summer afternoon. 6. Anaheim GardenWalk. Located right across from the Disneyland Resort, Anaheim GardenWalk is a premier outdoor destination for shopping, dining, and entertainment. This 460,000 square foot complex is home to a variety of popular restaurants, unique retail stores, and a vibrant nightlife scene, including 2 dance clubs. You can catch a world-class concert at the legendary House of Blues, enjoy a bowling night at Bowlmore Lanes, or challenge your friends to an escape room. With so much to do all in one place, it is the perfect spot for an evening out or a fun-filled family day. It's also a great alternative to the parks for some non-Disney fun. 7. Piloting a real Boeing 737. Ever dreamed of flying a jumbo jet or piloting a fighter jet? At Flight Deck Plus Rogue Racing, you can turn that dream into a reality. Located just around the corner from Disneyland, this immersive simulation center offers the chance to climb into full-scale replicas of an F-35 fighter jet cockpit and a Boeing 737 airliner. You don't need any experience. Their realistic simulators and expert instructors will guide you through the thrilling experience of flying. It's a unique and exhilarating adventure for ages 11 and up, making it a fantastic option for families with teens or anyone seeking an adrenaline rush. 8. Museo Museum and Cultural Center. Dive into the local art and history at the Museo Museum and Cultural Center, a true cultural anchor of downtown Anaheim. Housed in a sleek, modern building that incorporates the city's original 1908 Carnegie Library, the Museo is best known for hosting world-class traveling exhibits with a global focus. Beyond the main gallery, your ticket also grants you access to the nearby Heritage Center, which tells the story of Anaheim's diverse heritage. The museum offers a thoughtfully curated artistic experience that provides a peaceful and fascinating break from the big theme parks. 9. Oak Canyon Nature Center. Escape the city and find tranquility at Oak Canyon Nature Center, a stunning 58-acre natural park nestled in the beautiful Anaheim Hills. This sanctuary features 4 miles of peaceful hiking trails that traverse oak woodlands, coastal sage scrub, and follow a year-round stream. It's a perfect place for a gentle hike, a quiet picnic, or to enjoy the local wildlife and native plants. The park includes the John J. Collier Interpretive Center, which is open on select days and offers insights into the area's natural history. Best of all, admission is free. 10. Round of Golf. Golfers will want to pack their clubs for a round at Anaheim Hills Golf Course, a celebrated public course that has been a local favorite for over 40 years. Opened in 1972, this challenging par 71 course is nestled in the rolling hillsides and features stunning ridgelines, tree-lined fairways, and eclectic terrain that will test your skills. The course offers beautiful scenery and a fun, accessible layout for golfers of all levels. It's a great way to get some exercise and enjoy the Southern California sunshine. You can book tee times in advance online, and it's conveniently located just minutes from the main resort area.